What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So your boy's in a bit of a rush today. The gyms are back open, so I'm trying to shoot down there, get a quick workout in, but I've also got to take one of the back wheels from the Supra to the tyre shop before to get the tyre taken off. Then I can take the rim and the tyre, well, mainly just the rim, up to this place that are hopefully going to be able to machine that weld out so I can rebuild them, because it is a drama trying to get these 19s having that weld taken out. No one wants to do it. Everyone's like, nah, 18-inch max, or nah, we're gonna damage one of the lips or the barrels, blah, blah, blah. So hopefully this place can do it, because they used to build rims. So let's quickly jump in, take this wheel off and get into it. All right, gym's done. Rim is in the tyre shop at the moment, getting the wheel the tyre taken off. So I'm gonna go pick that up. We'll shoot up to this machine shop. It's a little while away, and hopefully I get good news. I've watched guys split these rims and no one wants to do it. So hopefully these guys can do it. If so, I'll get them to help me measure up the exact size extra lip I need for the rears, and I'll order them tonight, because they're a 14-week wait. So if I can get them tonight, by the time the Supra goes into the paint shop, hopefully they'll rock up and I can kind of do a similar thing that I'm doing to the Crown. So let's do it. All right, we're good. We're just gonna head out and see what they can do for us. Now, here's the issue, guys. See this rubber seal? That's, yeah, generic rubber seal. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Underneath, weld. So this is welded to this. I need that cut out so I can separate these, put this rear one on the front wheel, and then get one that's that big for this wheel, and then get it re-welded. So hopefully these guys can help me out. Guys, great success. They will do all of the wheel work I need done. This is so good. So the company is called Dragway Engineering, Dragway Wheels. I'll make sure I get the perfect information and I'll pop it in the description. I'll also put it in the description for any future videos that they are in. So they're going to machine out the weld, they can sandblast them, they can get them powder coated in the new color that I want, they will rebuild them. They've told me the exact size lip that I need to buy, so I can go and buy that tonight and get that process underway. And they're also going to polish up the work wheels on the Crown when that's getting painted. So I'm absolutely ecstatic. This was like my last resort. I've called probably 20-25 different machine shops, wheel shops, overseas wheel shops, like interstate wheel shops. No one wants to touch these, and these guys are like, yeah, we can do that. Yeah, no worries. So I'm so excited. They're also going to fix up, there is one tiny chip on each of my rear lips. They're going to fix those up as well, so all the lips are going to look perfect, and they're actually going to work on my fitment on the Supra as well. I'm going to tell them exactly how much extra I need on the back, because you can do a bolt-on spacer to the wheel, which is legal. So it has to be, the hub size is correct, and it actually has to bolt to the back of the wheel. Then it is legal and it's safe. So I'll probably run extended wheel studs if I need to, but it's probably only going to be like 2 or 3 mil just to get that perfect fitment exactly where I want and just before it rubs. So I'm going to have a bit of a play doing that and find exactly what I can fit and then go from there. So huge success today, guys. I am so excited. I'm going to take the wheel back in tomorrow and get the tire put back on, because obviously we're not doing it yet. We'll do it when the Supra goes in for paint. But yeah, success. So good, so happy. So thanks for coming along on this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.